Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're doing an updated video. I've had these cameras set up here approximately 6 months now, around there, 5-6 months, and I just want to give you an update on this camera. Fantastic. I love these cameras. I have them set up there. They have solar panels, so you can see up there, and they recharge themselves all the time. I have one on this side of the home, and I have one on the other side of the home over here in the back corner. Hard to see, I apologize because of the lighting. So you can see it up there, and these work fantastic, and they'll let you know. You get cross-reference. It tells you this cross-tracking. It'll let you know if people are here. So after a few months, it's fantastic. I never have to worry about charging the batteries. They always work. I get notifications every single time, either on my watch or on my phone. It doesn't matter. I'm actually getting a notification on my watch right now. There I am. It's just fantastic. I absolutely love these. So I have one here, one going this angle, and one for the bulkhead area, which covers the security of the windows and so forth. And then I have one on the deck. I'm going to show you that in 1 second and show you that. So far, so good. I highly recommend these if you're looking for security cameras. And I've been testing them. I keep these, I test these, and I absolutely love them. And so far, they've been working flawlessly, no issues whatsoever. And that's super important. I love that. So that's with these two cameras on. I'll show you the other one. And you can see the last one I have is actually on my deck. You can see, again, here's the solar panel. Here is the actual camera itself. It's plugged in, constantly charging. This is always getting charged. Even when there's no sun, it's constantly charging. 2K quality, as you can see here. So honestly, I know when someone's on my deck. I know if someone's in my backyard. I know what's going on the side of the bulkhead. If you're looking for good security and performance, these cameras here have been working flawlessly for me, for sure. So I'm going to give these a highly recommended. After a few months test, they've been charging, they've been cycling, they've been notifying, no issues, they've been saving the data. It's just fantastic. No problem with the Wi-Fi signal. They go right to the actual recording of the base that's plugged directly into the router, which gives you total security, so nobody can actually get into the encryption. There's no worry about that whatsoever. It's all encrypted. So definitely, if you're looking for security cameras, these are the way to go. I love them, and I definitely highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.